how do we talk and solve the problem peacefully? Yan ang sinabi ko nandiyan sila lahat. And the military was present. Puro military man si Secretary and all of them. Ano? Ayaw namin pag-usapan kasi amin yan. We own the property. Why should we talk to you? Parang ganun. Pero almost in whisper.
And what was your response, sir, when Presidency said that they will not budge?
Well, sabi ko, it will remain a problem. It will be, a thorn, just like a sore thumb that sticks out painfully every day. Well, nag-ship siya. Ako naman, out of courtesy, sabi ko, well, I will not maybe